On page 2, you're looking at the layers. He already did part C, so he showed you that this bottom layer has 8 cubes in it, 4 in the front that you can see, and two walls or 2 layers to it. So there's 4 cubes in the front and 4 cubes in the back, which makes a total of 8 cubes in each layer, and you have 4 layers. So on this, obviously, there's only 1 layer. It's only 1 layer high, and there are 3 cubes in the front. And that means that there are 3 cubes back here too, because there's one part of the cube we can see, and there's 2 cubes right here that we cannot see. So it's 3 layers in the front. So there's 3 cubes in the front and 3 cubes in the back. So 3 cubes in the front, 3 cubes behind it. Behind them, which means there's a total of 6 cubes in 1 layer. So that's a total of 6 cubes. On this one, again, there's 1, 2, 3, which means there's 3 behind here. So this bottom layer has 6 cubes in it. This bottom layer right here has 6 cubes in it. So there's a total of 6 cubes on the bottom, which means there's 6 cubes right here, which means there's also 6 cubes in the top layer. So there's 6 cubes. 6 cubes. Sorry, my eraser's not working. And I can't seem to write very neatly while looking through the iPad. So 6 cubes in each layer. There are 2 layers. So 6 plus 6 would be 12 cubes. That's how you would get those 12 cubes. 6 here and 6 there. You already did part C with that. Now, if this is our net figure or a flat figure, and we were to fold up the sides, it would be 2 cubes tall, even if I folded up this side. If I folded up this to the front, it'd be 2 cubes tall. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 cubes. 12 cubes in 1 layer, and we know it's 2 layers tall. It is 2 layers tall, so 12 times 2 equals 24 cubes total, and they told us that it's 1 centimeter cubes, so it'd be 24 cubes total. This is one way to draw it. So again, that's 24 cubes total. So you have the 12, and then if it's too high, it'd be 2 cubes. So the other part of this is they want you to draw 2 different box patterns that would also hold this. And I don't have enough room on this paper, actually. Let me use this paper real fast. So if I was going to draw another net figure, maybe I'm only going to draw it with 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I had 6 boxes, what times 6 would equal 24? Well, 6 times 4 would equal 24. So that means I would have to make the sides 4 tall. I'd have to make this side 4 tall. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 tall. This is 4 tall when I fold it up. This one would be 4 tall, and this one would be 4 tall. So that would be one net figure with 24 cubes, and when I fold up the sides, it would be 24 cubes total. So that's base of 6. This would be a base of 12. What if we do a base of 4? So if my base only had 4, 4 times what equals 24? Well, 4 times 8 would equal 24. So that means I'm going to have some really long sides. These sides are going to have to be 8 cubes. So if I divide it in half, that means that I'm going to have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.